And so how do you create a pond? Well, we can go over to our previous project. There's lots of ponds in here. There's a pond. Where's it? There's one right there. Let's say we want to create a model with that pond, right? So if I go and turn off my aerial imagery, I can see this is representing actually the water surface elevation. I noticed down here at the bottom, it's actually tracking my elevation. So at the top of water is at 909.66. So that's fine. But anyways, we're going to have it figure out that pond. So we're going to go over to our storage area menu, choose automated draw storage area. We'll come in here, choose the limits that we want to look at. So I'm just drag a box around this area right there. And so I'm going to tell it only consider this information right there. And we're going to go pick a point within there. We'll just click inside that. It grabs that 909.66. Now I know that's not correct. The actual edge of that pond is at 913. So I'll say 913 and I'll say compute. And basically it'll figure out kind of like an elevation contour line for where that pond is based on that terrain surface. And there it is, right? And so now we want to also compute the volume for that pond. Now it's only going down to 909.66, but I know the invert of that's at 904. So I'm going to choose that, hit compute, and it's going to go and linearly interpolate from 904 to 909.66, and then using the terrain surface from that point forward. Hit assign, and that's set up, right? So easy enough to go and set up these